Today we're glamping. In case you don't know, glamping is basically glamorous camping. We've done it a couple of times before, once in an Airstream in California with a bottle of great wine, some charcuterie, and once in Switzerland. We stayed in a barrel on a dairy farm. But now we're in Wisconsin and we are gonna glamp in a tent for the very first time. I don't think I've ever done the tent thing before, can't remember.
So this isn't like regular camping?
Here, let me show you what it is. Although I haven't even seen this yet. So let's hope it's not regular camping, because do I look like a regular camper? I don't think so.
I don't know, hun, from the outside. I don't know how you're gonna do.
I am a happy camper. I got the gear.
Well, yeah, if you have the t-shirt, then it means you're happy. This is a tent. It's like zippers. The other two places we stayed had doors, honey.
They did.
Yeah, you're roughing it, honey. You were roughing
Here we
it.
go. Oh. Okay, I just do this part.
No, and then you have zippers at the bottom.
Oh, I see.
You should let a pro handle this.
Do we need to let all of the bugs in while you
Okay,
tell me
all right.
why you should be
Let's go.
doing this?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, get in. I want to get it zipped up. No bugs, no bugs. I don't like bugs.
Well.
It's a happy place. Oh, and is that the little nest thing? That's a nice touch. Please remove your shoes. Thank you.
Okay, removed.
Let's continue on. We have this fabulous little bench right here, and it doubles as storage. So it's a little bit clever, and I noticed enjoy your stay package with all the info we might need. Oh, we each get a chair. We can sit at opposite ends of our tent.
I hope that we get along well, because I have a feeling it might get a little chilly and we're going to want to be cuddling close. So let's be nice to each other. Honey, how are you feeling right now? Like, do you feel if a torrential rainstorm came along, you would feel okay in here?
I don't know anything about tents. I hope so. I know our truck's close by. Let's see the bed though.
Oh, yeah. Check it.
Oh, this is soft.
Yeah?
Yeah, and it is cartwheelable.
If this is your first time watching one of our videos, when she does reviews of beds, she does a cartwheel rating. I don't understand, because I've never seen her do a cartwheel on a bed, but
It just means arms and legs akimbo. I can spread them. But this is really, really comfortable, so that's nice.
all right.
And I like the view. I mean, it's just a barn and stuff, but it's cool.
I would have to say that this is a little bit more camping than I was imagining.
There's one other thing I'd like to point out. It looks like we have an air purifier. Or is it something else?
That might be the heater, honey.
It's a Dyson, so it's fancy. Oh yeah, it looks like it's the air conditioning or heater, depending. We have a fly swatter. We can make coffee.
Oh, you're set.
We can play cards.
Ooh.
Oh, you think that coffee's going to do it for me? I mean, come on.
Well,
When does your wife drink plain filtered
okay,
coffee?
sorry.
But these mugs are really cute.
They are.
Oh, and they clip on. I'm going to be cuddling with you tonight.
Come on. That's what glamping's people do.
They spill coffee all over their pants because they hook it to their side? That makes no sense.
Let's unload our truck and get set up and start chilling.
We're going to do stuff. We've got to explore a little bit and figure out where the lake is. I just want to share that since we're glamping, I brought my Glamorous Kate Spade cooler bag. Isn't it cute? It's heavy, but it's also cute, right?
What'd you pack for our glamping adventure?
I've got these things that have been keeping things cold. Corn, kraut, and then in here, the extra cold bag.
Oh.
We have potato salad and other salad. Some brats that are very cold, but they might have gotten a little squashed by the heavy ice bag.
I think that's going to be good for one day. Oh, wait, what'd you get for breakfast?
I was hoping there was a Starbucks close.
Oh, God. It's glamping, but I don't think it's that glamorous. It's not like there's going to be a Starbucks in the woods.
But there should be.
Oh, God.
We have snacks. We have
All right.
peanut butter bars. And we have buns for our brat.
Beef jerky? Okay.
And this has yogurt.
That looks like a perfect breakfast.
And I brought...
Oh.
But I didn't bring plates.
Remember, though, I was like, we wanted to have, like, hands-on food. Oh, napkins though?
I thought about it, but then I was like,
Rookie.
nah. But we have some in the truck.
Okay.
But then it's just like the salads, we can't share our salads. Which will be fine. I never want your potato salad anyway.
And I don't want your kraut.
We've never done this here before. So of course we're gonna have a learning curve, right? I'm going to.
It's gonna get cold tonight, like down to like 50 something, right?
I think mid-40s.
I didn't even bring a stocking cap or anything.
It's gonna get down to like 50 at 3 a.m., at 4 a.m. 49, at 6 a.m. 47, at 7 a.m. 45. It's gonna be a little chilly.
We have not encountered that cold of temperatures in a long time. I think I better go out and find some firewood.
It's right there.
I ordered some. We're toughing it. Here, give me 5, sweetheart. This is gonna be fun.
An important setup. This is a bear container.
Ooh.
Or this is a container to protect your food and such from bears and to keep them and other wildlife away. So I have the ice and stuff in our cooler, the cute Kate Spade one. And then food, all of that, dry food over there. There, safe and sound.
You're becoming quite the camper. I think camping's in your future, dear. Not glamping, camping, girl.
I don't know.
So that's the distance from where we're staying to where the restrooms are.
Yeah, pretty much the same.
Oh, cool. Nice. Okay, so honey, let's say it's the middle of the night and you have to go to the bathroom. Are you gonna feel good about walking down here?
With you, yeah.
We're here on October 2nd, so it doesn't look like it's as active as I bet you in the summertime.
Do you want to go see what's in the barn?
It does say it's open. I think we should. I can tell Melissa felt guilty being in there, and I did kind of too. There's like nobody in there, but
It said it's open.
that would be a great place to have a wedding or a party
Oh yeah.
or to put on a concert.
Do you have plans?
I could play it part of one song. But honey, you could sing. We could learn one song.
One song, Glory. One song, Before I Go. One song.
I'm so confused. Is that a song?
Or you can go paddleboarding or kayaking. They also have that like little dock out in the middle that I think you're supposed to be able to just go swim up to it and jump in off of. I think that's the idea behind it. You relax right there. You can go fishing, fly fishing only, no minnows.
So for any of these things, you don't think it costs any money?
I know it doesn't because I read it online.
Oh. It is October in Minnesota, so I will not be going in the water. Are you?
I jumped in the water in Finland. We should get back and get food.
Do you mean like get back and start relaxing and chilling?
Grilling.
Grilling and chilling. Have a gas grill, a skillet, utensils. It's happy hour time.
While we're having happy hour, here's some of the fun we've had beyond glamping at Big Rock Creek Campground in St. Croix Falls, Wisconsin.
We hiked at Interstate State Park in Minnesota, which has some nice scenic trails. Then we took a walk through Taylor Falls, and when we got hungry, we had lunch at the drive-in restaurant, which has some super tasty food.
Then we went to the Wisconsin side of the river, enjoyed the views at the St. Croix National Riverway Visitor Center in St. Croix Falls, and relaxed at Lions Park.
Then we headed down to Osceola, Wisconsin.
We ate scones, drank coffee at the Watershed Cafe, and admired the Cascade Falls next to it.
Back in Minnesota, we visited the Franconia Sculpture Park in Schaefer. Finally, we jumped on the Taylor's Falls Princess and cruised down the St. Croix. We fit a lot of fun into 2 days.
So you saw Chris and I relaxing and chatting, right? Well, one of the things that I shared with him that we thought I should really share on camera is that there are 2 times in my life that I remember almost tent camping. Both times involved girlfriends. One time, 3 girlfriends and I went to Lollapalooza with the intent to set up a tent and camp, but we couldn't figure it out. So we slept in a minivan. And another time, a friend of mine and I, we went to Whitewater State Park, I think it was. And we were thinking, oh yeah, we're gonna camp. I don't even know if we put a tent into the vehicle, but we just slept in the car. But we stayed overnight in like a naturey place. But I don't think that I have ever actually slept in a tent.
I'm thinking like people with REI memberships are just like, oh, what is wrong with that lady?
I have an REI membership.
Melissa's first time sleeping in a tent at the age of 46. So Melissa and I have been sitting here talking for about a half an hour, enjoying our little happy hour. It's been very peaceful. And of course it's fun to hang out with Melissa. Especially when she's serving me. I'm kidding.
I'll serve you.
She just attacked me with a bag of buns. Aw, thank you. She's a good woman. It's grilling time. It was not elegant, but it's now going. Honey, we'll be eating soon. Honey, a car alarm's going off. We got to do something about it. I know, it makes me think, is this a rough neighborhood? Melissa and I like to make sure our brats are cooked thoroughly. You guys might be judging and going, those look a little toasty. Melissa and I like them like this. Right, hon?
That's right, dear.
Oh, I didn't pay her to say that. All right, Melissa, prepare the buns. Brat time at the glamping site.
Without any plates.
And without any barbecue sauce.
We have mustard and kraut.
Who was just thinking of themselves? Well, let me see, what do I want on my brats? Mustard and kraut. What is my husband like? I don't care. Melissa should get credit because she did buy this stuff. I wasn't at the store with her.
Yeah, potato salad.
On my brats, I like to put like relish and onions and barbecue sauce on my brats.
You're wrong.
Oh, these guys are done. Look at those. Oh, beauties. Isn't glamping fun, honey? Oh, wait, there you are.
Don't drip hot stuff on me.
I won't.
Okay.
Oh, you do the zigzag.
I'm fancy.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is Melissa's way to get me into kraut and mustard. Actually, as a couple, that would make sense. Keep it simple.
It's whiskey dill kraut.
Here we go. Is it good? You enjoy it?
Mm-hmm.
This is glamping at its best.
Farmer got a salad.
Here, Chris, here's some potato salad.
I was gonna get you one like this. And I was like, he's gonna be like, that's not enough.
No, I'm not gonna eat it.
Isn't that better? Isn't it amazing?
That's pretty good. I've been doing it wrong all these years. Why don't I listen to Melissa all the time?
I'm sure everyone's asking themselves that question.
Yeah, everyone that watches the videos. This dumbass. Why did he listen to her? Okay, dinner is done on our glamping adventure. Now it's time for a fire with a solo stove.
Just like the Chilchums.
Pretty good for glampers.
Look, honey, we have fire.
Are you making fun of me?
It's a Dyson fire.
As you guys can probably tell, we're inside the tent. There is no fire going. You saw a couple shots of a fire. The firewood we had just wouldn't take, and my skills are limited. So we're just gonna enjoy the advancements of technology. We don't need a fire.
Thank you, Dyson.
It sounds like you like Dyson more than me.
I love you. I appreciate Dyson.
Stupid firewood! It's dark, scary.
On a dark and lonely night in the backwoods of Wisconsin, 2 people went glamping at Big Rock Creek, and they decided that they needed to get some sleep. Tomorrow we are going going to give our full review.
I am having fun, even though we didn't have fire like out there in the solo stove.
We're gonna have to ask the Chill Chums what their top tips are for getting the solo stove started.
It's 8 p.m. It's dark. It's October 2nd. We pretty much have this place to ourselves. There's some campers way over that way, but
It's nice and quiet here tonight.
certainly is.
Good night.
Good night. It's 6:20 in the morning. I thought I'd give a report of using the bathroom when you're glamping, and it's pretty darn cold. So yeah. Nice thing is though, after you're done, it does have warm water, so I can wash my hands in warm water. Morning.
Good morning.
It's cold.
We cuddled.
I don't want to get out of bed at the moment.
It's not too bad in here because we do have the heater on. It did go off in the middle of the night though, and then we were kind of cold this morning.
Do you think
first thing?
Do you think it was like a critter that turned it off? Like
No.
some critter came in our tent, turned it off.
I think it's set with some timing.
And probably. Yeah, but it was like, whoo, cold. Guess what? She looked up where the nearest Starbucks is.
Oh yeah, it's 22 miles away, so I won't be having Starbucks this morning, and it'll have to wait until we're headed back to the big city. I wanted to paddleboard, but I'm not doing that this morning. It's too cold.
That sounds way cold.
Oh, I think that's what I was going to say. It's like 45 degrees out.
That's pretty cold. Do you have anything else to say?
I don't think so.
Okay.
This bed is really comfortable.
It is.
It's really been nice.
If Melissa and I were going to do this again, I think it'd be good to bring some eggs, maybe some bacon, some sausage, and it would have been a lot of fun to just have a nice little breakfast out here looking at the sunrise, even though we kind of miss the sunrise, but that would have been cool. Next time we need to remember to bring towels because there were showers here. Oh, look at. So is that it, hon? Are we all done?
We did it. It's a beautiful morning, and like, look over there, that red tree above the barn, and the birds flying, and
Yeah.
it's nice.
It's a nice outfit you got there.
Thanks. I picked it up in St. Croix Falls, and one thing I just noticed, honey,
What?
it has pockets.
Wow.
Glamping at Big Rock has been a fantastic experience. It's super close to Taylor's Falls and St. Croix Falls. I got those right?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
then Osceola. We've had a fantastic couple of days in this area.
I would definitely do it again. I'm thumb up and bumping this. Yes.
Yes, we definitely next season will need to come back here once
Yeah.
or twice or 3 times.
Yeah. We'll learn from our mistakes and we'll have the perfect glamping adventure.
We'll try.
All right.